to play a game for preschool kids called Where Is? Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Good, here we go. Okay, so who is this?
Baby shark.
Excellent. Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Okay. Who is this?
Mummy shark.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Lucy, everyone.
Mommy shark.
Good. Who is this?
Daddy shark.
Excellent. Good job, everyone.
Daddy shark.
There we go. Who is this?
Grandma shark.
Excellent, Ben. Everyone.
Grandma shark.
Good. Who is this?
Grandpa shark.
Good job, Lucy. Everyone.
Yay.
It is
It is
Grandpa
shark.
Good job. Okay, so now we're ready to play the game Where Is? Okay, sing along with me. Hands up, hands down, hands up,
Hands up.
hands down,
Hands
down.
down.
hide your hands.
Hide
Hide
your
your
hand.
hands.
Good. Where is Mommy Shark?
Where is Mommy shark?
Where is Mommy Shark?
Where is Mommy shark?
Can someone find Mommy Shark? Okay, so here she is.
Here she is.
Here she is.
Okay, turn the card over, Ben. Is that Mommy Shark?
No.
No, it's not.
Okay, can someone else find Mommy Shark? Camille, Lucy?
Here she is.
Excellent, Camille, good job. Okay, everyone.
Here she is.
Okay, turn the card over, Camille. Very good. Is this Mommy Shark?
Yes, it
Okay,
is. Mummy
good
shark.
job. Excellent, everyone.